Heat index values up to 100. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, mostly sunny.
Oh, GSP. CC, freaking 1-inch hail indicator, y'all. Frick.
Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 100.
That's not a good sign.
Lows in the lower 70s.
Oh, heck no.
Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s.
Y'all know.
Heat index values up to 100. Wednesday night, partly cloudy.
Oh.
Lows in the lower 70s. Heat index
For
values
Iredale and Rowan counties.
Thursday, mostly sunny.
It's got a hail core, look at that.
Highs in the mid-90s. Heat
Yeah,
index
that
values
sucker's
up to 100.
probably severe.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, Piedmont, North Carolina, western North Carolina, and upstate
Oh,
South
great.
Carolina. For this afternoon and tonight,
Just what I need.
scattered thunderstorms will continue this afternoon.
Just what I need.
Evening hours.
Huh?
Storms may become strong to severe. The main threats with any severe storms that develop
What you got, GSP?
diameter. Gusty winds, cloudy ground lightning, and locally heavy rainfall are possible with any thunderstorm that develops. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WXL-70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 8:26.
I guarantee it.
Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., July 13th, 2023. Today's high temperature of 95 degrees occurred.
Man, Yoshi fans getting destroyed right now by alerts. Holy mackerel.
The record high is 100 degrees, which was set in 1986.
All comes down to GSP now.
1 degree
Hmm?
at 5:29 a.m. The normal low is 70. The record low is 56 degrees, which was set in 1918.
Gonna pull the trigger, GSP? Or you just gonna wait?
Which was 2 degrees above normal.
You pull another special weather statement like you normally do.
At 0.47 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 24.52 inches. Sunset tonight is at 8:40 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:20 a.m.
Boo, 6:20.
Here is a
Stupid
special
hour.
weather statement. Strong thunderstorms
I want to hear this.
portions of north central
Oh, there we go. What did I say?
Northwestern ROWAN County from the Piedmont of North Carolina until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles
TSTM.
or over Cleveland, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to
Severe
vehicles is
thunder.
expected.
Golly.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
I spoke of the devil, huh?
Locations impacted include
Yep.
Cleveland.
There you go, SVR.
Alabama, Woodleaf, and Cooley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas.
I might as well work for
A
the...
brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room.
I called the
Please
shots.
report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101
Oh my gosh.
or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredale, and ROWAN.
I put that one on KHC, that's why I didn't go off. You didn't activate!
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe
Well
thunderstorm
then.
warning for East Central Iredale County
It's
in
a
the Piedmont of
GSP
North
thing to
Carolina,
do, right? I
Northwestern
knew it
ROWAN
was
County
gonna
in the
happen.
Piedmont of North Carolina until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight